What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Dogman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and we'll draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with one right in the middle. From the very top, we're going to come down and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap and draw the same size oval on the right side. And then along the top of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller oval for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from the right side of the eye, we're going to step over. We're just going to curve the muzzle, going across, and give a slight bend coming down towards the nose. And then right here, we're going to draw a circle for the nose. Let's add a small circle along the top for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now we're going to go back to the inside. We're going to curve the head. We're going to go up above the eyes, round out the head, come down, and we're going to bend that in towards the chin. Now I want to work our way back up towards the nose. So we're going to go across, round out the muzzle, and then bend that in. From the edge, let's draw the mouth. Come this down, go across. Now I'm just going to pull that up towards the top. Let's go back underneath the nose and add 3 spots. Let's place the hat on top of the head. From the top of this curve, we're going to bend the hat brim, going out and up, round this out, and then bend that back in. Let's go back to the inside, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the hat. Move over to the left side, we're going to bend this one up and then out. Let's connect the top of these 2 lines with a curve. Now we're going to add that symbol in the center of the hat, starting right in the middle, come down and up like a V. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. And we'll close off the bottom with a half oval. On the left side of the head, we're going to add 2 ears. From the edge of the hat, let's step down. Start by going up and then down towards the edge of the ear. Round this out. I'm just going to taper this in towards the side of the head. Let's leave a gap and draw that again. Going out and then down. Round up the ear. Go up and again, just tapering that in. Along the bottom edge of the head, we're going to add some stubble, just overlapping the edge of the face with 4 lines. Let's step down, angle the body, coming down and out toward the left, over towards the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now I want to step up and add another curve for a trim. Let's add that same symbol in the center of the body, starting right in the middle, come down and up. Do the same thing on the right. And I'll trace this along the outside. Now I want to bend the arms in towards the hip. From the top of the body, angle this out, and then bend it down towards the elbows. Curve this down and in towards the side. Then we'll curve the thumb going up and then in towards the side of the body. Now from the edge of the thumb, let's step down, add a small fold. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to bend the outside of the arm, going out and then down towards the elbows. Bend the elbow, coming down towards the hand, and just curl that up towards the side of the body. Now I want to separate the cuff from the thumb, then it's out and then down. Step up, draw the same curve for a trim. And now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to angle this down and then out toward the heel. Go to the right side, do the same thing. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet from the heel, come down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, towards the inside of the leg. Now going back up to the top, we'll step in, want to taper the legs so it gets wider as you come down towards the feet. And then along the top of the feet, we're going to add 2 curves for the laces. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a step-by-step drawing of Dogman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.